Hi everybody and welcome to this new video of presentation of the quality module of Kaizen indicator system. In this first video we are going to see how Kaizen indicator system manages non-compliances, and to do this let's check into the quality module by the main menu and then click on the first icon in the non-compliances management menu. In the first screen, we can see the list of the open non-compliances, and right now there are no non-compliances, so we are going to add a new non-compliance. It opens a screen where we can find different information. It is basically divided in two main screens. The first is the non-compliances details, and the second one is the involved products. Let's start by inserting data in the non-compliances details screen. So we can insert a description of the non-compliance. For example, we could have many defective weldings in thicker parts. The immediate action could be to rework weldings, and it has a cost of 100 pounds. Then we can save this data. Also, when the non-compliance will be closed and we end to input this data, we can change the status of the non-compliances from open to closed. Okay, now we can add some more data. That is the non-compliances category. In this case is welding. We can write, or if there are categories, there will be a list and we can choose from this list. So now let's save the welding category and the cause. If we identify a cause for this non-compliance, we can input it in here. We can add one or more causes. In this case, the cause could be a human error. And then let's save. So to better describe the non-compliances, we can upload a file using this form. For example, we can upload images, we can upload PDF files, Microsoft Office files, and a lot of more type of files. Okay, now it is the moment to go to the second screen. So we click on Involved Products and it opens a new screen where we can link products to this non-compliance to tell to the system which are the products involved in this non-compliance. And we can choose to do this in two different ways. We can add a product by selecting it from the warning list. The warnings, let's remember, are signals that our operators can tell us during the production if they encounter a problem or they identify mistake. They can tell us we have a problem by the barcode or the web Gemba system, and the system saved this warning and we can recall it by here. For example, we have one warning related to lightweight frames supporting chassis. The reason was missing parts, and the resolution was called purchasing office to purchase missing parts, and evidently it is not related to this non-compliance, so we're not going to add it. But we're going to select other products from the product list. For example, we can now filter by customer name, or we can filter by customer product, or from both, or if we just click on the search icon, we will get the whole list of products. But we only want products from ACME. Okay. By clicking on the plus icon, we can add products to the list. Let's change from customer 1. Okay. Okay, now to see the list of products linked to this non-compliance, we can click on the reload icon, and in here we will have the list. The system just guesses some information that we can change in a second moment. That is basically the quantity of involved products. It is the batch quantity, but maybe there are not 4 involved products, but just 2 or 3 or 1, and we can change it by this using this icon, for example. And then the system guesses that the product, the non-compliance, the defect was identified by the customer because it was a finished product, but also we can change and put as source the production, and then we can input the workstation where the non-compliance was identified, and then let's save, and the system changes this data. Okay, right now we just added a new non-compliance, described it with many parameters, and linked all the related products. This tutorial just finished. Thank you very much for your attention. Let's see you in the next video where we're going to see the analysis of non-compliances.